ECU's working, the car's running. We are ready to start tuning now and actually, you know, getting it to run smoothly. One of the things that we needed to do is we were hoping to just delete the secondary O2 sensors. I think those are called the narrowband sensors. We do have the wideband primary O2 sensors in it. That's before the turbo. As it turns out, we're gonna need the secondary O2 sensors. So I'm gonna work on that today. These are the secondary O2 sensors, and they're gonna have to get mounted on the exhaust side, so past the turbo, which is really limited for us because that's only about a 10 or 12 inch piece of exhaust pipe over here. This is our exhaust pipe. This is our wastegate. So this has to go on the exhaust, and I really didn't want it like out here. You know, some of the guys kind of put them out here. I don't know. I mean, I guess it's kind of industrial looking. It might have been cool sticking it up here. I kind of want to just tuck it in a little cleaner. So I'm gonna weld a piece of stainless steel tube on the exhaust right here to come off at an angle so I can weld the bungs that this has to screw into. And mind you that there's two of these, so it's gonna be one on this side, one on this side. I'm gonna kind of keep it flush with the hood. I think it's gonna look really cool. And so that's what I'm gonna try to work on here today. Show you guys what this bung looks like that it needs to screw into, and that was kind of fun getting it too. I got like two different kinds, wrong size, but here's the right size. I'm gonna put this on a stand. Bought this online, so the O2 sensor screws into this, but I didn't have enough angle on it to get it onto that pipe. So what I wanted to do is I went and picked up a piece of scrap stainless steel tube that's gonna fit right on here. So basically it's a little extender. I'm gonna weld it right here all the way across, and then you can see my mark right there. That's the angle that I need to cut this tube, and then it'll weld onto that exhaust pipe. And I do have to extend these wires because it doesn't reach all the way down to the plug on the factory BMW. That will be happening tonight. All right, here's the thing. I'm gonna let you guys in on something. I'm not really a welder by day. In fact, I'm a real estate broker for the last 16 years. I did do fabrication, obviously, past jobs going pretty far back. I worked at a car customization shop in California, loved it, did suicide doors, chop tops, you know, all sorts of metal work. I'm not really all that great of a welder. You know, I can kind of hold my own. Bottom line is, that exhaust is stainless steel, and I have never welded stainless steel. So I bought this little spool of stainless wire. It doesn't even really fit right into my welder, but I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna put this little guy in here. Supposedly you can still use the argon CO2 mix, which is for steel MIG welding. This is a MIG welder. So I'm gonna give this a try. I'm gonna swap this wire out, and then I'm gonna test a couple of little pieces on welding stainless, because from what I hear, it's got a little different characteristic than just welding mild steel. So don't let challenges stop you. Just try it, just try it. Actually, I wanna say something. I've been reading the comments, and I'm encouraged by the fact that some of you guys are encouraged. So, you know, our videos are apparently encouraging some of you guys that have some projects that maybe are, you know, sitting by the wayside, and, you know, watching our videos encourages you to get out there and work on it, and that's really cool. So I'm really happy to hear that, and it's funny how that actually encourages me. So thanks guys for watching. Get out there, work on your car or whatever you got. kind of like biomechanical, I don't know, something. All right, well that's success. I'm gonna go ahead and take it back out, finish welding it up. I still have to extend the wires on it. All right, so I found the O2 sensor connections. It's all the way down here, right by the bell housing on the transmission. There they are, 1 and 2. I'm gonna have to extend those, oh man, probably a couple of feet. Because right now, they terminate right here. So I gotta go down past the headers, back there. All right, let's cut them. All right, all the wires are extended. I didn't wrap them all the way yet. There's 2 of them because the factory BMW had twin turbos, and so it has one for each, like bank 1, bank 2, but now they're just consolidated. And then the primaries are down there. Secondaries are up here, and these things are awesome. They went together super well. Neighbor's dogs are going crazy, but I think I'm gonna call this one a wrap for tonight. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna come back, put the car down, start it up, and I have to reset the adaptations on this. Troy from Fluent Tune told me that. Hopefully you'll see the O2, the secondary O2 sensors, and it's not gonna go into limp mode now when I get on the throttle. We'll have some fun with it tomorrow. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Really appreciate you guys, and love the comments that you guys are leaving on YouTube. You guys can follow us on Instagram as well and Facebook at Maniacs Garage. I'll see you guys in the next one.